Fine Art series of Skanda Publications, which has touched its 45th title this year. Ms. Vidya, a company secretary by profession, quit her profession 24 years ago to start Skanda Publication with her husband, Mr. B.A. Suresh, to popularize art and culture. She holds a master's degree in folklore from the well-known Xavier's Institute, Palayam Kottai, and she is a recipient of a 2-year fellowship from the Department of Art and Culture, Government of India for Folklore Research. Ms. Vidya, mother of 3, is an ideal to how effectively one can balance career and home without feeling guilty and overwhelmed. I would like to request Ms. Vidya, please be on stage and enlighten our employees, our bank, with your views. Please, ma'am.
Thank you.
Give a huge round of applause, please.
On कर दिया ना?
Our knowledge partners, A&B Consultants, they will be facilitating ma'am with a bouquet.
ये सेंटर में रख दीजिए. Thank you so much. As I go, I'll take this. हेलो, थोड़ा हाइट बढ़ाना पड़ेगा. थोड़ा. Hello, all of you. I hope I'm audible. I'm very thankful to all of you at Union Bank for inviting me, especially GM. It was a very nice gesture. I'm sure all of you must be thinking, इतना मिसफिट लग रही है, आप सब बैंकर्स हो, आपके सामने आपके बीच में एक आर्टिस्ट क्या करेगी. I'll start off by saying that I am the daughter of a central government servant, spent all my life in CPWD quarters. What I am today is because of my mom's central government job. To start with, I respect employment tremendously. I lost my father when I was 5.5 to a dacoity killing. If I was brought up to be an achiever, it is only because of the paycheck my mom was getting. I grew up in a 3-bedroom flat because the CPWD quarters flat was given by All India Radio. So I am starting off by saying that work is worship. You're all in a great place. It's a wonderful feeling to be part of a big organization. 2 days back, a private radio station decided to invite me as a celebrity to talk about our inspirational journey. The first thing I said is I'm a radio child. What I'm saying is, आपका जो employment है, it defines not just you, it defines your children, it defines your entire family. It's literally like there is a huge strength behind you, and that's a great feeling. So what I want to say is that when people generally say that work is getting boring or work is draining me, I don't really understand that for the simple reason that if there is no routine, life can also get very draining. I'm an entrepreneur and I spent 5 years in the corporate sector. I quit the corporate sector not because I found the work draining, not because I was not excited about having daily coffee with my colleagues. That is the best part of working, please believe me. I started entrepreneurship because my husband wanted to start something in print. He comes from, he was part of 2 leading dailies, and he saw that I am a very talented Bharatanatyam dancer, and I could also write on art and culture. So we just came up with a brilliant idea of starting our own firm where, like a puzzle piece, we fit. I could create content, he could create the books and take it to the market. So we were 2 mavericks, so fascinated, so passionate about a great idea, we quit. We have seen ups and downs and we have survived, so we always work as a team, and 25 years later, we are still successful. Ours is a different story. But that apart, what I am trying to tell you is, never think of leaving an employment because it is boring, because it is repetitive, because it is transferable. Please believe me, that is life. The question is how to make that life more meaningful. It all boils down to just 4 things: work, family, me time, house. House as in the physical house into which you go. If you can factor out these 4 things, believe me, life will be a song. There are bad days in work. 5 years as company secretary. I just want to share one small incident with you to just tell you that I have seen bad days, and I have actually literally felt so bad that I didn't want to go to work the next day. It was a very small incident. As company secretary, we used to arrange board meetings, AGMs, everything was part of our job, and a lighter part of our job was to arrange lunch also on the day of the board meeting. Now, most of the days it used to happen in leading hotels, and it was all taken care. There was no issue. Once, all of a sudden, one of the senior members of our organization, he came up with a brilliant idea that we should call a caterer who had a very big name in the marriage catering industry. He was like the star. So it suddenly occurred to him that why don't we engage his services once? We thought it was not such a bad idea after all. So instead of a hotel where they would insist on their own food, we arranged a hall, and then we called the star caterer. Me and my second in command, we called him to our office, we had a discussion, we gave the detailed menu. And the one cute thing we did was, we added the sweet which we knew our chairman would love. The board meeting starts, my second in command is not with me, I am inside, and I am actually seeing the sweet is changed. I see the directors just casually talking to one another, and chairman sweet nahi le rahe the. And another board member asked, why aren't you having? And इन्होंने कहा sugars बहुत बढ़ गए हैं ना, तो अगर बादाम हलवा होता तो I would have succumbed to the temptation. But this doesn't merit that. I was standing just a few feet away. I heard that. I felt so bad. On the menu we had given badam halwa. How did it change? Then I never opened my mouth, because if I open my mouth then it will become very embarrassing. All the board of directors were there. It was 1 year into employment. I was so small. I was just 26. They were all double my age. I just came out after the meeting was over, and then I called my second, in my team, and then I said, what happened? Not the cell phone days. The next day we called that caterer to the office, and then he is telling us, "Adavada idu nalla sweet." In Tamil it means this is a better sweet. आप कौन हो डिसाइड करने वाले? इतना गुस्सा आया हमको, लेकिन पेमेंट तो होल्ड नहीं करने वाले थे ना, उतना क्रूअल तो नहीं हो सकते, खाना तो अच्छा था, लेकिन हमने बोला कि स्पेसिफिकली हमने रिक्वेस्ट किया था, ये एक ही रिक्वेस्ट था. आई एम श्योर उसको उस इवनिंग का कुछ बड़ा सा केटरिंग इवेंट होगा, हम 25 लोगों के लिए वो नया शायद नहीं बनाना चाहता था, उसने वही स्वीट दे दिया थिंकिंग इट विल नॉट बी नोटिस्ड. 2 दिन लगे मुझे उससे बाहर आने के लिए, बिकॉज आई केप्ट थिंकिंग इन माई माइंड, अगर वो बादाम हलवा होता एंड वो लेते, वो बोलती कि मेरा सबसे छोटा टेम्पटेशन यही है, कितना क्यूट मोमेंट होता ना. लेकिन वो हुआ नहीं. मेरी गलती थी? मेरी गलती तो नहीं थी. तो व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से इज एम्प्लॉयमेंट में हो जाता है एंड वी कांट कंट्रोल एवरीथिंग. तो व्हाट इज द ऑप्शन? ऑप्शन इज टू फर्स्ट अंडरस्टैंड दैट वी कैन ओनली बी 90% परफेक्ट. उससे ज़्यादा परफेक्शन एक्सपेक्ट करना हो ही नहीं सकता, बिकॉज वी डोंट कंट्रोल द वर्ल्ड. तो मन को हम कैसे तसल्ली दें, इतना सोच के कि घर में भी हम 90% परफेक्ट हो सकते हैं. यहाँ 100 देंगे तो वी आर सैप्ड आउट ऑफ ऑल द एनर्जी. अगर हम कन्विंस कर लें कि इतना ही हमसे हो सकता है, कॉन्शियंस, वी विल वर्क टू आवर कॉन्शियंस, जितना मन को ठीक लगे उतना हम कर सकते हैं, लेकिन उससे ज़्यादा एक्सपेक्टिंग फ्रॉम वन सेल्फ विल जस्ट ड्रेन अस. आफ्टर 2 days आई वॉज बैक टू नॉर्मल. दैट्स अ डिफरेंट स्टोरी. सो नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज फैमिली. हाउ डू यू गिव दिस 90% to your family? The moment you think of family, the first thing that strikes us is birthdays. I really tell you, why do people make such a hue and cry of birthdays? ये मुझे समझ में ही नहीं आता, लेकिन people make. And let me tell you, I'm sure you have seen that Hrithik Roshan movie, जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा. उसमें if you see, the breakup happens because he doesn't remember the birthday. And the reason is, he says, I could empathize with it, I'm an entrepreneur. He says, some chairman, नाम मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा, he says, उस chairman ने उसी दिन अपॉइंटमेंट दिया तो मैं क्या करूं, इटली का ट्रिप कैंसिल हो जाता है. She says, but it is my birthday. तो मुझे लगता है बर्थडे एक हफ्ते पहले आप लोग सेलिब्रेट नहीं कर सकते थे. There was a beautiful song from Alice in Wonderland which says 364 unbirthdays. So what is the solution? I told you I am a single mother child with a mom who was a full-time employee with only second Saturdays as off. So how did my birthdays get celebrated? She always celebrated the birthday the Sunday before the birthday. I remember every birthday of my childhood. एक बार भी मुझे 11th of April Sunday आया ये याद ही नहीं है. Either it was 7th or it was 8th, 9th. लेकिन बर्थडे सेलिब्रेशन तो हो ही जाता था. And she would start working for it 10 days in advance. Only on Sundays. एक संडे हम जाते थे केक प्लान करने के लिए. अडेहर बेकरी हाउस इन चेन्नई was 3 bus stops away. तो संडे आउटिंग हो जाता था around the 1st of April or the 30th or 31st of March. And then she used to take me and then she used to ask क्या फ्लेवर है, क्या डिज़ाइन है. सिंगल पेरेंट थी तो बहुत गिल्टी फील करती थी अगर माई डे डजंट गो वेल. So then one day, one Sunday I would go for buying the dress. And then I would always take chocolates to school. Every year till my 12th standard, my birthday was a big thing. Never celebrated on the birthday. I remember जब मैं और छोटी थी तो ये बॉम्बे से तब ना ये लेटर पेपर with lot of flowers. It was a big thing. तो then whenever we used to go there or some relatives would come लेके आते थे तो उसमें मैं लिखती थी प्लीज़ कम फॉर माई पार्टी, वो इनविटेशन कार्ड. एक बार मैंने पूछा भी प्लीज़ कम फॉर माई बर्थडे, डेट गलत है तो माँ ने मुझे सिखाया प्लीज़ कम फॉर द पार्टी ऑन द अकेशन ऑफ माई बर्थडे. ऐसा कुछ उन्होंने बोला तो वर्ड कर लो तो डेट टैली नहीं होगा तो इट इज़ नॉट टेक्निकली रॉन्ग. दिस यू कैन वर्क आउट फॉर वेडिंग एनिवर्सरीज. You can work out for, just about anything. Ultimately, it is the spirit. We put too much pressure on that one particular day. उस दिन आप घर जल्दी नहीं जा पाए. It's a board meeting. Anything could have been. Board meeting comes first because maybe that's my profession. आप लोगों का तो इतना होता है कमिटी मीटिंग्स दैट दिस. बैंकिंग तो मुझे नहीं पता. इतना पता है कि बहुत दिन आप लोग 10 बजे तक ऑफिस में रहते हो. अगर ऐसा हो जाए so why do you want to disappoint your family? The important thing is the spirit. See, not all employers are bad. If you want to know the example of a bad employer, you must watch Devil Wears Prada. It's a movie with Meryl Streep. She will harass her assistant to such an extent that there will be one day where there will be a gale. Actually, the winds will be at 150 kilometers. Every flight will be cancelled. I can never forget that scene. She will just look out of the window and say, it is just a little breeze. Why can't you book my flight ticket? Every flight ticket would have been cancelled. She would not be able to come for some event relating to her children. No, that is an example of a very bad boss. That is an extreme. Not every job is that bad. Not every environment is that bad. A lot depends on our perception. So if we are able to make time for our family, and another thing we can do is to plan activities for children when we are free. We always have this habit of spending for children. We have brought up 3 children. Instead of buying a book, you can take a library membership. It's so very simple. The one Sunday you are free, you can go out with your kid, sit in the library, see that the child picks up books. Little things that you can do to make them feel valued. The family knows that the money is important. It is just that you need to just fuel their ego. थोड़ा उनको उनका ego, उनके sentiments को थोड़ा fuel करना है. थोड़ा बहुत tact ही चाहिए. It's not such a complicated thing. That's about all these occasions like birthdays, wedding anniversaries, all of which अगर आप दिल से प्लान करें तो उस डेट के बाद मत कीजिए. You will never hear the end of it. जो भी आपको करना है डेट से पहले कर लीजिए. They will value you so much. And in case if God is kind and उस दिन आप जल्दी घर पहुंच भी गए, एक और केक कट करने से क्या है ना. मिठाई तो देर इज हमारे यहाँ पे एक प्रॉवर्ब है, नैय पत्तल नई कूड़ाद. इट मीन्स दैट जो अपम आप घी से बनाते हो उसमें घी ज़्यादा हो ही नहीं सकता. As in, there is no such thing as too much goodness. So you can always have an extra celebration on the D-Day if it is possible. If it is not possible, you, as sir was mentioning, that guilt, you can still be totally guilt-free. This is about children, spouse, now parents. Aging parents is a reality. How did I manage my aging mother? Because from my husband, I learned to delegate. You have to create a support system. If you don't create a support system, if there is a medical emergency, आपको तो जाना ही पड़ेगा. एक medical emergency तो कुछ भी नहीं है. You just have to drop everything and go. But एक routine test के लिए अगर आप जा रहे हो, तो ऐसा नहीं कि हर टेस्ट के लिए आपको टाइम मिलेगा. तो आप क्या करोगे? पहले से ही प्लान करके एक सपोर्ट सिस्टम क्रिएट कर लीजिए. डोंट टेक इट सो फार टिल दे बिकम बेड रिडन. उससे पहले अगर आपके घर में पीपल हु आर पार्ट ऑफ योर हाउस कीपिंग, जो घर में है, उनको थोड़ा बहुत आप ट्रस्ट कर सकते हैं. They will be happy to accompany them to the hospital. Believe me, that is how I sailed through my professional life. So they will be happy to do it. They will develop an attachment with the aging parents. थोड़ा बहुत हमें ट्रस्ट करना पड़ेगा, थोड़ा बहुत आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स थिंक करना ही पड़ेगा. इट इज़ नॉट नेसेसरी दैट वी शुड बी देयर फिजिकली फॉर एवरीथिंग. यू कैन मॉनिटर. अभी इफ़ यू आर बुकिंग अ कार, आप मॉनिटर कर सकते हैं. हॉस्पिटल पहुंच गए, सेल फोन है, बाप से माँ से पूछ सकते हैं. यू कैन कॉल द डॉक्टर, फिक्स अप द अपॉइंटमेंट, फिक्स अप द टेस्ट. रिमोट से आप सब कुछ कर सकते हैं. अकेले उन्हें नहीं छोड़ सकते, ये तो मैं बहुत अच्छी तरह समझती हूँ. बट उसके लिए एक सॉलिड सपोर्ट सिस्टम हमको क्रिएट करना ही पड़ेगा. बिकॉज वी कांट बी एवरीवेयर एंड देर इज़ नो नीड टू फील बर्डन्ड for duties which are recurring. And believe me, उस support system से उन लोगों को जिनको आप हायर कर रहे हैं उनको इतना बेनिफिट होगा. कॉस्ट ऑफ लिविंग हैज़ गॉन अप सो मच. बिलीव मी, वी आर द लकी पीपल वेयर वी आर फिनेंशियली स्टेबल. पीपल हु आर स्लाइटली मोर अंडर प्रिविलेज्ड, उनको भी बच्चों को पढ़ाना है. एंड दे आर ऑल्सो पुटिंग द चिल्ड्रन इन गुड स्कूल्स. स्कूल फीस, यू डोंट नो द अमाउंट ऑफ बर्डन दे फेस. अगर एक दिन बिकॉज ऑफ यू एक छोटा सा बोनस मिल जाए तो उनको कितना अच्छा लगेगा. एंड दे विल डू इट. थोड़ा ट्रस्ट हमारे साइड से भी चाहिए. वी शुड नॉट पैनिक. The first time you said you will panic, you should just calm down and think, I'm not panicking. No, my mom is in safe hands, my dad is in safe hands. एक बार फोन करके पूछ ले. Gradually, this support system will come very handy. This is how I sailed through my life. Now, that is about family. As I told you, work, be 90% good, it's okay, and try and work around your family with all your sentiments in place. And then is your me time. This me time is something which a lot of us neglect. 2 days back, somebody told me that they had learned Carnatic music for 15 years when they were elsewhere, and now they are not able to do it, but they would like to do it online. Why? I said, why don't you look for a Hindustani teacher around? We never look at the goodness that is surrounding us. There are so many opportunities, we just have to open our eyes and see. Again, I'm drawing from my life. I did MA in folklore only because my mother got posted in Tirunelveli. I was halfway through my ACS. It was not even easy. But that was the only college in the country it was offering the course. It was such a beautiful course, so suited to me. I told my mom that I will push and I will study for both courses. What I'm saying is, opportunities are actually there all around you. You just have to open your eyes, and I'm just saying, grab what comes your way. Don't go seeking what is not there. Disappointment ही होगा. अगर आपके घर के पास कोई पॉट पेंटिंग सिखा रहा है, आपको something related interest है, why not try this? Or somebody is teaching art on soap, or somebody is teaching new dishes from across the world. Every learning is beautiful. The world is not limited to this brain. The world has so much to offer. हम सोचते नहीं हैं. आप लोग इतने लकी हो कि भारत के जितने जगह हम तो जा ही नहीं सकते, आप लोग ट्रांसवर्स में जाने का मौका मिल रहा है. It is true that you are forced to leave your family. The other side is you also get to see a new place. You don't have a choice. If you have to go, why not grab what is there locally? हम लोग लोकल क्विजीन ट्राई करने के लिए हम तो वी आर वेरी कंफर्टेबल. वी नेवर लुक फॉर लोकल नॉलेज, लोकल आर्ट्स, वट एवर यू कैन ग्रैब. the best thing is whatever comes your way, take it. Don't go seeking what doesn't come easily. It will only make you sad. All of us are sailing through the same life. All of us are sailing through the same opportunities. The ones who succeed are the ones who grab what comes their way. That is how I have succeeded. And then, the fourth aspect, as I told you, is your house. Now, this is one thing which I know will not sound convincing, but you can think about it. My daughter presented, my younger daughter, she presented a book, The Art of Decluttering. I don't remember the complete name, by Marie Kondo. She said, you may like it. मैंने देखा और मुझे लगा, I never hoard clothes, I never hoard anything. In what way is this book going to be useful to me? When I read the profile, I read that this lady has made a profession out of decluttering, and मुझे लगा कि इतना इसमें क्या है, कुछ चीज़ चाहिए नहीं तो फेंकने का है, इसमें क्या है? How wrong I was. I read the book. 15 days, my daughter and I, we sat. It was COVID. 25 Excel garbage bags worth of stuff we threw out. Because we never look. We buy a packet of coffee, a coffee mug आ जाता है, वो पड़ा रहता है. Like that, the house is filled with things you don't need. That takes up so much space. There were 4 handbags, which I don't even need. All of us, we store, we hoard. And believe me, we start to think the house is small. After a hard work day, we go home and we think, शायद मुझसे इससे बड़ा घर होता. हमें बड़ी घर की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Square feet cost is very, very, very high. The घर that God has given us is big enough. Just discard what you don't need. Minimalism is a beautiful way of life. मेरे कबोर्ड में 10 sets के ज़्यादा है ही नहीं. I use for 6 months and I junk. I was doing it even before. Now I'm doing it with a vengeance. We used to throw books after kids finished the academic year. I thought we were smart. It appears you have to be smarter. What I am telling you is, think 10 times before buying furniture. It occupies so much space. Think 10 times before buying anything. Half the things we buy we don't need. I am not here to talk of minimalism. I am here to tell you that if you practice minimalism, you will go back to a bigger house, and that will make you very happy at the end of a very hard work day. Emptiness makes us feel wonderful. Why do we love the seaside? Because of the vastness. Why do we love views from the hilltop? Because आँखों को empty space अच्छा लगता है. लेकिन when it comes to our house, every inch we stuff. We have brought up 3 children in the same house, having enough space for all of us. It's because at the end of the day, minimalism is a beautiful way of life. In this kind of a situation, in this event, which is so tuned to something so technical, I'm so happy that, you people thought of inviting me to start you on something which is relevant, and at the same time, which is so different from what you're going to hear in, in the next speech. I hope you enjoyed or you were able to relate to what I said. I just wanted to tell you that apart from being an artist, apart from being a Bharatanatyam dancer or an author, I am basically a corporate speaker, and which is why I didn't want to bring dance, music, or any such thing in this talk. So I wanted to keep it so relatable to the life that you are leading, the life which I have also led, and just wanted to tell you that you are in a great place. You can just make it greater with a little bit of thought and planning. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. As Vidya ma'am rightly said, no such thing as too much goodness. This lesson we should take today with us, and we thank you, ma'am, for your words of wisdom to make our routine more fulfilling. Thank you. Next, moving ahead, we have a short address by our CISO, Shri Rudra Pratap Singh, who will be joining us through VC.